Hey guys, so I'm editing my video right now that I just got. I'm almost done it, doing all the bushes out there and all the what do you call those things again? The holly trees, right?
Yes.
Yes, and we were going to be getting a snowstorm the next day, and obviously, yes, we got a snowstorm. I'll show you guys.
9 inches.
Not yeah, we got 9 inches. 9 inches. No, I can't.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Yeah, anyway. I'm sorry. Beep. Let's retake that one again. Sorry. How come that goes to your head right away? It's like, yeah. I don't say. What we're saying? Yeah, I don't know what to say.
9 inches.
You can't start off with 9 inches. It doesn't work that way.
You're talking about what you're doing out front.
I've got 9 inches in my head now.
I know.
Okay, hey guys. Son of a. No, we're fine. Okay, hey guys. Beep. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it all in. I don't care. It's easier to edit. All right. Hey, so we got the bushes done, and we're expecting a snowstorm the next day, and we got one. Here, you know what? You know what? Without this intro, I'm just gonna click to us at nighttime when the snow starts coming, and I'm just gonna click to that part right now, cause like, okay, back in a second. Okay, so can we see?
Yeah.
Holy!
I felt something.
Look at the ground! Look at the ground! It's snowing!
I slipped. So how tall it's gonna be?
I can't see. I can't see anything with the camera, guys. I'm sorry. Let's go over here. Come here. I want to go over here.
Okay.
Look at the ground. The ground is snow. Look at the ground.
This is amazing.
There it is. Here you can see. Look. 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 You see it.
I got it in my eye.
Hey, hey, it's snowing. There she is.
This is my third snow.
Yes.
Third time the snow.
We're the crazy fools outside.
I know.
I'm part of being the crazy fool that's outside.
I know. Hanging out around our light, because this is no place where this camera's going to pick up.
Like this, you can see.
I can see you. I can see with that light. It works really well. This thing's great in low light. Actually, you know what? I got low light setting on this thing. I don't know where it is, though.
Cold pipes? A little bit. Okay, let's go inside. No, there'll be more tomorrow. Trust me.
Oh, we're going to wait. Hey, you can snow all night. This is all night. So we're going to wake up to snow. Getting back to editing, and we'll see tomorrow on how actually the snow is going to, how much snow we got. Okay, Greg out.
Shake it off.
I know. All right. So, you can tell that we got a lot of snow, and I'm luckily I got those bushes done because I honestly don't know what we're going to be doing in the next little while. I'm probably going to be doing the pear tree behind me right here, and we have a couple pear trees back there. I need to what do you call those?
Limb them up.
Limb them up and clean them up because they're way overgrown.
Yeah,
like
they're like double the size they should be.
Yeah, the pear tree is like probably 50 feet up in the air, and pear trees should only be no more than 15 feet up in the air. And when pears are gonna grow, we had pears that far up, and the birds are getting them, so we don't need that. Anyways, I lost my train of thought again. Still got that 9 inches.
What are you gonna do?
Yeah, that. Okay. All right, so this is the first video of 2025. Say bye, honey.
Bye, honey.
See you, bye. Honey, we're from Florida. When would I have thermal underwear? Well, maybe all my skiing equipment that I've used 30 years ago. What? Whistler, that's like 25 years ago almost. God, that's a quarter of a century. Can't remember my t-shirts I wear. Why am I going to remember long underwear? Oh God, I'm freezing. Okay, look, yes, I'm complaining a lot. Hang on, let me get back on track. So yes, I'm complaining a lot. It's cold. suck it up, right? And I am sucking it up because I love doing this stuff. But in the cold, yeah, I don't know. We'll see. All right, but anyways, this stuff has to get done. So I just got to do it. I'm not going to take this stuff right down because it's a holly, but obviously you can see this is like way overcut. And yeah, I'm going to get another jacket on. I'm going to get my puffy jacket. I don't want to wear my puffy jacket because it's so puffy. But I'm cold, so give me a second.
What?
I need my puffy jacket, the one I hate. What? I need my puffy jacket. You know it's cold when I'm gonna be putting on my puffy jacket. No, this feels. I feel like I'm wearing a puffy jacket like Seinfeld. Yeah. Remember George wore his puffy jacket? He's all puffy, and then he wore the puffy shirt that made him look like a pirate. Or I don't want to be a pirate. I'm like a dork now. Okay, let's try this again. All right, Carabelle. Okay, I'm back. So this is my puffy jacket. Yeah, very puffy. I feel like my mom dressed me for school or in wintertime, and she overdresses. You know what I'm saying? Those basically like my wife dresses my kids for school. Well, not for school, but when they go out to play, she dresses them all up, bundles them up, and you can't move. You're walking around like this. Okay. Let's get this done. I'm not getting a lot of work done right now. It's okay. Let's start with this sucker right here. I'm gonna cut these down to a small bulb, and then hopefully I'm not gonna cut them all the way. So a small bulb, so I can actually they can grow to make small bulbs and just eventually get bigger. I like these here actually. We'll see how bad they are. Let's start. Now I shut the base and sure. Yes, my puppy jacket is actually okay, out there, ouch. Yep, okay, get in here, get this stuff around here. Should we put all three down? Not first, get over nice there. That's right, down. Yeah, so that one's first. This one in here. Oh, yes. Okay. Okay, easy, second one here. Oh, right here, oh, go. Okay. Yeah, down here, here. Okay, it's right here, it's not right. It's right here. Back here, back here. Oh, should be good. For now. We're over here. There it is. And here. Let you do it. You always like this, see? And it'll briefly. Yeah, just all nice. Yeah, see? That's the roll of these. You do the ball. And these are very fast from home trees, so that's good. Take right here. Okay, this one, let's go. Go see it. Let's keep going because it is kind of nice being outside in the cold right now. I'm actually not bad. I'm getting frozen, so I'm getting very numb. It doesn't really matter anymore. My teeth are cold though. I am not used to that. That's so weird. So we're gonna bulb these up. Oh. And for these to grow this long, now I'm not an expert, guys, at all. But I wouldn't call myself an expert at all while doing this kind of stuff. I am new to all this stuff, but I've been doing this stuff my whole life with all the houses we've had. And this, overgrown like this, has been a while since they've done anything here. Like decades. Kind of like the back. I gotta get under here. There it is. Top. See, I'm using a chainsaw here to cut these things down because you just can't get a normal edger. My telescopic edger, can't do it. Obviously, look at the size of these trunks. Trunks, whatever you want to call it. But that's why I'm using this instead of a small chainsaw. I don't have to be near it. It's perfect. I love this thing. There it is. Get that piece right here, and I think we got it. Yes. It's gonna bob up real nice. You can kind of see it now, shaping up. I gotta get this part here. And you see, that stuff's broken. That stuff's dead. You want the dead leaves out of here. I mean, twigs. Branches, whatever. Yeah, see how that is cut? And let's get this puff right here, too. There we go. Yeah, let's see what happens with those bulbing up. And we've got a tree right here on the side, guys. Let's get this tree going. Ha! There she is. Oh, freezing her. Let's try. Let's move her. Yeah. What's that? I think I got braziers. Look at this, braziers. Down to 15% already with a 2 amp hour battery. So I'd say the battery lasts half the time. Because last time I used this here, guys, so the last time I used this here, and it was like, I guess 60, 70, I used this all day with a 2 amp hour battery, all day. And now I'm already down to 15%. So it tells you right there the cold just zaps this stuff. Really nice. Okay. Now I'm using a 4 amp hour battery this time. All right, here we go. Now you got it. Really good. Yeah, I gotta go. Okay. You guys working there? Watch me. I'm right. You guys do it. Let me go. Yeah. Okay, back up. Let's grab it. Yeah. I'm actually sweating now.
Good, I told you.
What do you think?
Wow.
See now, with these things here.
I'm gonna take my hair down to keep warm.
Oh, you see, go on, jacket.
No.
So damn adorable. You see how now?
Yeah.
Now they're gonna bulb up,
Yeah.
and then once you get the bulb, I can shape them real nicely. You know what I mean? That's all it took for them to do that. You know? That's gonna go down. I'm getting rid of that whole thing back there. That's not even. That's just. I don't know.
It's matching, whatever it is. Is that the same thing that's over there?
Yeah.
Berries, the red berries?
You know, I can cut it smaller. That's what I was thinking of doing, and then match it with that one there and see what happens. You know, but it's. You see how now they're gonna be nice little bulbs.
Yep.
You know, the one in the corner right here. I don't think it's gonna be any good.
No.
No, it might. These are pretty bad shape though, but they bulb up and be nice. I like having these near the windows like this because it's a deterrent, right? But it's only a deterrent if it's all around. You know. But there's a piece of like lumber in there.
Oh yeah.
Like this is not a day. I'm not gonna get it all done today. It's gonna be like
No, this is a garbage pit.
what?
This is a garbage pit. You got pot inside of a pot with something growing in there.
Oh, I didn't even notice that.
You did it?
No. Oh, it is. You look so comfy and cozy.
The pizza.
I want to come in now.
Okay, get warm. You want some tea?
Let me just finish. Actually, make some tea. Yeah. I'm gonna finish this up in here, rake it, and then I'm done for day one.
Okay.
Right? Because I can keep going. Actually, I'm actually sweating now.
Okay.
I was like, when I start raking, that's why I open this up because am I keeping you? Oh, by the way, hey. Oh, I can't see you, but open the door. Nothing. You're just being a little. So it's not a fix. Awesome. That's not. Oh, first. Oh, ouch, ow. Okay. Hey. There. Yes. We'll see. It's everywhere. Let's go. I'm gonna do a little plug for these guys because, as you guys have been asking me and emailing me, do I have a discount code for this stuff here? And I reached out and asked them if I could get one for you guys, and they said yes, no problem. They're going to give me a 10% discount code on getting the reach right. Now, I'm not sponsored by them, guys. They gave me this, but no money was exchanged. So, hey. If I get 10%, it's 10%, right? Hey, why not? So I'm waiting for that code to come in. Once I get it, I will put it down at the bottom of the videos for you guys. And I highly recommend these. I wouldn't be able to do what I do now if it wasn't for this. All right, back at her. Here we go. Wow. This is nuts how much leaves we got here. Come on. Yes, let's go. The garbage bag down there. All right. That's right. Nice. I removed that. Nice. Which one there? Stay. Okay. Okay, that's that. Come on, guys. I gotta move right here. Just right. Okay, that's that. Move back, guys. Okay, let's get the battery on here. Battery. Okay. Yeah, how do you do? I'm going to show you. Okay. Fine, just a second. Alright, so I haven't used this one in a while with the ergonomics with the grip here. And I tell you, the reach right's better. I get more control with the reach right. Yeah, it keeps you straight up, but the balance of it all, I'm not liking it. All right, guys, so that's stage one finished and complete. I gotta do a little more raking, but it's lunchtime and I'm going inside. So let me show you guys what we've done. That's Piper screaming back there. Let me turn you guys around. Boink. There, look at that. That looks incredible. It looks great. Wow, you can actually see every individual plant right now. I'm gonna go around the corner tomorrow, but we're expecting a big snowstorm. So that's why I went out today. And today's the first day we've actually had sun in like 3 weeks. Haven't had any sun. It's been rain and cloudy. I thought I'd get out here and do this now, but yeah, we have a lot of cleanup to do, as you can see behind me. And that's okay. That's okay. All right. All right. I'm going to leave this here for now. And I'll get it later. Right, Kira? You want to go in? What are you doing, sweetheart? You doing okay? You got that stick, did ya? Sweetheart. No, 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 no. I can't throw this because of your legs, sweetheart. Okay? All right, let's go. Come on, baby. All right, we are, hang on. Okay, sorry, got Joe Rogan in my ear. Can't talk same time I'm hearing all this stuff. But anyways, just had lunch. I was actually gonna quit for the day, but I thought, you know what? I'm gonna keep going. It's bugging me when things aren't finished, so I wanna get this stuff done, raked out, and just get this corner done. So at least most of it's done. I still got some crap back there I gotta get. So let's get this stuff done. All right, I'm gonna weed whack that just to finish that up, guys. Just get some of that, clean it up a little bit, and I'm gonna call it a day. That feels better, feels more finished now. We're done. This is awesome. I feel better about having this done like this than last time. So I got a lot more little small things to do, but tomorrow, well, we're expecting a really big winter storm, so it might be next week. I don't know. School's closing early. All this stuff's happening. No idea. But hey, got it started. And I got some content for you guys as well. Oh, okay. Now to go talk my wife into coming out and checking it out because she's going to be freezing. So let's see if she'll come. Let's see. What's that, sweetheart? What do you think? Looks good. You can see the bottom parts now? Yeah. We actually had 3 there. I thought that was actually one big cluster. Check it out over here. Here, take a look at your jacket.
No.
You sure? Okay, look at that. Over here. Right here, check. You want to see something funny? Nope. Okay, go over there in the corner.
I ain't going over there.
Just go over there, check it out.
Oh, that's a hole.
Oh yeah, go check. It's like it's actually dangerous. That thing is like, look at that. Crap. Yeah, right?
Well, they blocked it.
Did it block it?
And they tried, it looks like they reinforced it.
What is it?
I don't know.
We gotta put some more dirt in there.
They probably had an animal dig down there, or they put something down in there. There's some sort of cable that goes down in there.
Okay, we gotta check that out. That's kind of weird, eh?
Yeah, eh? Okay, bye.
Where are you going? Stay here a little longer. Just test your glasses out.
No, that's okay.
Come on. You're walking pretty quick, honey. Hey. Wait, what do you think of this part? You're not even looking. Bye. Come on. Honey. Look at the difference. So we got this done now. Obviously you saw that. Look at this though. Wow. That looks fantastic. I didn't think it's going to look this good. And I honestly didn't think we could save those. Yep, I'm happy about that. Check it out. That looks fantastic. I love that. We want to get this done for so long, and those there are so overgrown before. But look at the size of these things here. Look at that. Wow. This one's dead. I gotta get my trusty chainsaw out and get rid of that. They're all in school. Let me see. Let me show you guys here. Let's go show what they're doing. They're in school right now. The kids are homeschooled. And my wife used to be a teacher, so that's a plus. And here they are. I'm not sure if I can see you guys. They're all homeschooled. And Piper is pretty well reading at a university level. It's unbelievable. She reads books and books and books. She's supposed to read 10 to 20 pages a day on her novels that she has, Harry Potter. I'm done for today. And thanks, guys, for tuning in again. First video of the new year, 2025. Got a good start. Took a couple weeks off. And it's time to get back at her. So I'm putting a lot of shorts up. I'm getting a lot of shorts from the old videos. I'm putting those up. But funny thing is, with the shorts, I'm actually getting more subscribers with the shorts. With the long videos, or short videos and the long-term videos, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. I'm not getting a lot of subscribers. I only got 400 and something. 408, which, hey, I'm grateful and I love it. It's awesome. I love this. My goal is to get 1,000. I want to get 1,000 subscribers, just for fun. I know that's when you can monetize and actually make money. You're not making money from that. Not from 1,000, not even close. But hey, that's a goal, right? So I can at least apply to be monetized. And that's one next step we can go, right? So, I'm out, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, adios. See you later. Bye. You there? Okay, bye. Are you still there? Later.